Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to start learning C under the heading Getting Started with C. Then we are going to see character set, that is characters that are used in C. Then what is C token, identifier, keywords. So these things we are going to cover today. How to start learning C. We know that the communicating with computer involves speaking the language the computer understands, which immediately rules out English as the language of communication with computer. However, there is a close analogy between learning English language and learning C language. Steps in learning English language is shown in following block diagrams. And we see that first learn the alphabets are characters used in the language, then learn to combine these alphabets to form words, which in turn are combined to form sentences, and sentences are combined to form paragraph. So this is the steps when we want to learn the English. Learning C is similar and has steps mentioned below. Therefore, instead of straight away learning how to write programs, we must first know what alphabets, numbers, and special symbols are used in C. Then, how using these constants, variables, and keywords are constructed, and how are these combined to form an instruction, and then instructions are used to write a program. Now, let us see the character set of C. But before that one, let us try to understand what is character. So character denotes any alphabet, digits or a special symbol used to represent information. A character set is a set of alphabets, letters and some special characters that are valid in C language. The characters in C are grouped into following categories: alphabets, digits, special symbols, white spaces. Alphabets. C accepts both lowercase and uppercase alphabets, and we are familiar with these. Uppercase letter from A to Z, lowercase letter from A to Z. Digits from 0 to 9. Special characters. So this table shows the special characters used in C. White spaces. Following table shows the white spaces used in the C. C tokens. What is C tokens? C tokens are basic building blocks in C language which are constructed together to write a C program. Each and every smallest individual unit in a C program are known as C token. C tokens are of 6 types. They are keywords. Some examples of keywords are mentioned here like main, in, character, print, scan, for, etc. Identifier, name of variable, function, arrays, etc. Constant, 10, 20, 60.25, etc. Strings, G, total, hello, but these are included in the double quotation marks. Special symbols, parentheses, curly braces, etc. Operators, plus, slash, minus, star, etc. These are the operators used in. Now let us see a program, and in this program we will try to understand the examples of C tokens. Suppose this program is given. In this program, main is the identifier as it is the name of the function. Open and open brace, curly brace, open parenthesis, curly, close parenthesis. These are called identifier. Int is the keyword. X, Y total are the identifier because these are the name of the variable. So all these together, whether it is the main, open brace, close brace, in X, Y total, these are called tokens. So every smallest unit used in the C program are called tokens or C tokens. Then identifiers. So identifier refers to the name given to entities such as variables, function, structures, etc. So name of variable, function, structure, etc. are identifiers. Identifiers must be unique. They are created to give a unique name to an entity to identify it during the execution of the program. For example, int xy total then semicolon. So xy total, these are the identifiers. Here xy and total are identifiers. Rules for constructing identifier. Because in program we have to name some identifiers, we have to name some variables, name some function. So what is the rule for constructing the identifier name? A valid identifier can have letters, both uppercase and lowercase letters, digits and underscores. The first letter of an identifier should be either a letter or an underscore. Keywords like int, while, etc. cannot be used as an identifier. Identifier name should not be longer than 31 characters. Meaningful names to identifiers make sense. Now let us see keywords used in C program. So before that one, what is keyword? Keywords are predefined words in C compiler. Each keyword is meant to perform a specific function in a C program. Since keywords are referred names for compiler, they can't be used as a variable name. C language supports 32 characters and following table shows these 32 keywords. So today we have discussed how to start learning C, what is the C tokens, identifier and keywords. So at this point we stop till next period. Bye and have a nice day.